What's up YouTube, Uzumaki here. Welcome to an unboxing video of the Nintendo Switch. Yeah guys, my Nintendo Switch came out literally 45 minutes ago, and I'm lucky, you get me, because I got a game shop just down my road, and they were doing a midnight launch for the Nintendo Switch, you get me. And I thought to myself, I cannot wait till morning. I need to play that Zelda today, you get me, dudes. So I thought I'd do an unboxing video, you get me. This is it, yo. This is it, yo. Can you feel that checker though? Yeah, that's the back. Oh man, you guys, man, you know how badly I can't wait to play Zelda. So I'll show you what I got. Nintendo Switch. Wow, the Pro Controller. You get me, dudes, because I believe the best experience with Zelda, with Xenoblade Chronicles 2 down the line, will be with a Pro Controller. You get me? So I got that. And the game of all games, ladies and gentlemen, probably one of the best games ever made. You guys want to see what it is? 1, 2, Switch. Imagine someone actually does that, you get me? Like, he does an unboxing video of the Switch, and he actually got Zelda, and he does unboxes the 1, 2 Switch. But yeah, dude, that's just joking. Got the limited edition version of The Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild. You get me, dudes? And you know what's funny? Not funny, kind of sad. I went to buy Bomberman as well, you get me? And the man's going to me, did you pre-order Bomberman? I go, nah, it's Bomberman, ain't gonna be sold out. My man goes, it's sold out. I go, yo, what the heck? I go, only Zelda's gonna be sold out, not Bomberman. You go, nah, Bomberman was sold out. So I'm gonna buy that digitally, you know. You get me? But yeah, look at the back. Look at that. You guys, man, have you guys seen the reviews for this game, though? I mean, like, the reviews are so good. It's like, if you see a review that gives it 9, it's like shocking when 9 is actually a good score. I mean, the 4th highest rated game on Metacritic. You got 40 out of 40, 20 out of 20. Games that, you know, I mean, websites that give like games low scores, they can't help but give this a high score. It's good to see GameSpot, IGN, and so many different, like, you know, media companies basically all giving Zelda a high score. What it deserves, you get me, dudes. So that's it. Look, what to unbox first, yo? Goldie Roger, yo, I can't believe it, man. What am I talking about? But yeah, man, let's unbox the Pro Controller. I never played the Switch like the other lucky people that got to go to these events. So this is gonna be the first time holding it, yo. Yo! But I heard the battery life in this is sick, though. Yeah, it lasted 40 hours, yo. I know someone that play Essence, yo. He does Nintendo videos. He played Xenoblade Chronicles with 1 charge of the Wii U Pro Controller. That's an 80-hour game, yo. Crazy shit, yo. What the flip? The wire dropped. This is it, dudes. Yo! Fuck, it's smooth! It's... No way! This is smoother than... Where's my Pro Controller for the Wii U? That's probably upstairs. Look at that! You guys, you won't believe how smooth this is, yo! Yeah, it smells legit, though. Oh, imagine playing Xenoblade Chronicles 2, yo. You know, swing the blade to your heart's content. You know what? I can honestly say this is comfortable, but you know, with those Joy-Cons, I'm scared because I got, you know, gorilla hands, yo. I got big hands. But yeah, man, this is it, yo. The Pro Controller. Look at it. Look at it. Look at that. Oh, and that Nintendo sign. But yeah, dude, that's it. Now time for the bad boy. Now time for the Nintendo Switch itself, you get me? I have to put my camera on for my light because, you know, in the dark my camera is buzzing, you. I can't do it upstairs. So downstairs it is. Here we go. Yo! The daddy, yo! Look at that! Look at that! Yo! What should we do first? The Joy-Con or the tablet? You know what, a Joy-Con? I got the grey one. Do you know the weird thing is, dudes? I pre-ordered the grey one first. You know, a month down the line, I said, oh no, I want the red one. You get me? Then a day later, I go, no, the grey one. Red, I didn't know, so whatever the game I was happy with. That's it. Man, you know what, I'm being honest, man, I got a bad feeling. This is going to be uncomfortable for my hand. Look at these flipping. It's actually okay. Wait, I'm playing Mario Kart. Nah, my hands are a bit big. Wait. The only thing that might feel a little weird is that first button and the analog. Wait. Them turns though. It's okay, it's not too bad. It's not too bad. Got the star. Nah, it's okay, it ain't too bad, you know, ain't too bad, man. Let's check the other one because the right one is slightly different. No, this one is more comfortable, yo. This one is more comfortable than that one. The left one. But imagine playing a game like this, yo. You got your two Joy-Cons, you get me? You're just sitting back, chilling, playing Xenoblade. I can't wait for Xenoblade, yo. I mean, that's like... God. But yeah, these are the Joy-Cons, yo. Yo! Zelda! I'm thinking I'm gonna play Zelda in 20 minutes. It seems unreal. It seems unreal, yo. This is the tablet. Yo, that's a little heavy, though. It's good. You need weight, you know what I mean? I got a bit too much weight on me, but you need a little bit of weight, you get me? There we go, look at that, the Nintendo Switch. Oh, my God! You guys, let's hear the click together, you get me, dudes? Wait. You guys ready to hear the click? You ready? Yo! No way! That is satisfying! Wait. Come on, man. There we go! No way! Look how sick that looks! Yo! No way! You guys, honestly speaking, have you ever thought that you could play triple, like, exclusive quality games? Like brand new Mario, brand new Zelda, Xenoblade, Mario on the go. On the go, yo. You could literally take this anywhere you want. Well, everyone's different, you get me? My man's a father, you get me? I got two girls, you get me? And you know how many times I'm downstairs and they're watching TV, the nursery rhymes and shit. And I have to come down and be with them, you get me? This time I can come down, be with them, and you know what? Chuck, you watching nursery rhymes and shit, and I'll be playing my Zelda. That is beautiful, That's an amazing concept. Everyone's different. If you don't, literally, if you're not busy and you're always in your room playing on TV, then I guess this taking away feature won't be as beneficent to you. You get me? But for me, I'm always have to come down and... But that's it, yo. I know it's unboxing, I'm talking too much. They got a kickstand. I don't want to open it, you know why? Because I got this funny feeling in my head that it break. Wait. What the fish, yo? Nah, there we go. I would pull it down, but you can't see it. But you guys, wait. Let's take the Joy-Con off and let's hear that sound, that click one more time, yeah? For the good guys, yo, for the good guys. You ready? So, Joy-Con, tablet. Yo, that is satisfying for the ears, yo. Oh man, you guys, this is the Nintendo Switch, yo. But yeah, put that down for now. Let that baby rest. I'm guessing you don't want to see the wires and that. These are the things that you put on the Joy-Cons. Yeah, that give you a better grip. You know what, that would do wonders, especially Mario Kart when you do those turns. What's this? Oh yeah, I forgot! What am I doing? I should have done this first! Basically, this is where you put... Hold on, man. Yo, was a man tripping? Wait. Yo! Heard that click? Yo, Zelda! Wait, I'm coming! Wait. Oh man, this is gonna be sick, dudes. Click. Yo! You don't even need a Pro Controller! You can play this without with my Pro Controller. Yo, where's it gone, yo? Where's my Pro Controller, guys? Who am I talking to? Oh, here it is, man. Wait. Jokes aside, this is comfortable. This is comfortable. You know the Joy-Cons on its own. If you got small hands, it's comfortable. But I got big hands, you get me? So it's not as comfortable. I'm not gonna lie, you get me, dudes. I'm keeping it real. But with this, it's comfortable. It smells nice, you get me? This is something else. You know, this feels so... Oh, okay, dudes, man. It's maybe unboxing, man. I'm not talking about life story and shit. This is the dock, yo, for the TV mode. Yo! Oh, it was another one. That flopped. There we go. There we go. You open the back. You put your HDMI and that bullshit in there. You know what's good? The USB port, and they got Ultra Street Fighter 2 coming out. You get me? So I hope they take fight sticks. Because I can't use controllers for beat 'em ups. But yeah, that's that. Now let's put... Oh man, I gotta take... Oh man, you got this video so unprofessional, but bear with me, yo. I'm so tired, but I need to play. I need to play that Zelda. Zelda's calling me, yo. Click. Click, yo. Yo, that is so soothing, yo. There we go. The Nintendo Switch. Okay, now we gotta put it in this bad boy, you get me? Put the TV mode. Wait. Oh man, this is unprofessional. I'm gonna be showing you guys. Dock. Switch. There we go, it's in. And that's TV mode. And if someone comes and you have to go, but you really want to play your game, no problem. Just take it out like that and continue playing your game. Yo, that is amazing, yo. That's a good concept, man. Hybrid. And we know that handhelds, I mean in Japan, anyway, they sell quite a bit, you get me? They sell more than consoles. But yeah, dude, I still got Zelda to do. But yeah, dudes, the Nintendo Switch, I hope you enjoyed it, you get me? And by the way, I'm going to leave my ID in the description box below. Add me up, you get me? I'm going to have no friends, you get me? Obviously at the beginning, but then like my Wii U, that got filled up in like for a few months. But I heard you got 300 friends on here. So add me up, dude, yo, that Mario Kart's coming soon. I'm gonna digitally that Bomberman. Yo! Now time for that Zelda, yo! Wait, you're my camera. Okay, dude's ready. Okay, man, that was so gay, but let's go. You get the Master Sword, you get the soundtrack. You know what, man? Sometimes you just gotta pay, man. You know what I mean? Because games like this don't come out all the time, man. It don't, yo. This, you know, Final Fantasy VII is the greatest game ever made. But you know what? This could be up there, man, as one of the best games ever made, yo. You know what I mean? Open, man. I need to be showing you guys it, man. I'm sorry, man. Wait. I don't want to rip this box, yo. It's got flipping tape on it, man. Are you kidding me? Where's my key? Oh, what the fish, man. I guess it's just gonna be a long ass video then, innit? Oh man, this is... There we go. Oh yo, the soundtrack's right there, yo. You know what? To be honest, I'm not too familiar with the soundtrack at the moment. That's it. That's the soundtrack, ladies and gentlemen. Main theme, field, battle, shrine, battle, riding day. Oh, the horse, yo. Your horse could die in the game. That's not a spoiler. Everyone knew that, right? That's it, guys. That is it, yo. I mean, I can't wait to see the cartridge because it's probably small. Oh, come on, man. I need to play, my almost want it. I don't know where's my key, yo. I can't go to the flipping kitchen because the table's in the way. A long way, man. You guys, you know what? Bear with me. You ready to see the cartridge? The cartridge. You ready, dude? You gotta see it first because, you know, nice dude. Wapow! Fuck! Where's my phone? I'm using it for the light. That shit's like that big! Wow! My God! To actually think a game that's so massive. You know what I mean? It's like, you know, so much, it all fits in this, yo. Look. What the heck? Technology for you, man. It's only gonna get crazier as years go on, you get me? Yo! The Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild, ladies and gentlemen. Can't wait to play. I'm not gonna unbox this, you get me? But I'm gonna show you the sword. You get a kind of a sword, master sword. Bingy bob. I don't say more tape, yo. No way. Look at that. This ain't gonna be sick. More tape off it. There we got that kind of. I remember when I was small, yo, like, you know, with these kind of fluffy things, used to do that and used to go everywhere. I don't know why I said that. Oh, come on, man. The fucking Da Vinci Code, yo. What the fuck? You know, the more itchy you get, the more you want to play, the more you be buzzing. I'm causing a mess, man. There we go. It's in here, dude. It's in here. More tape. Fuck, I never want this. There we go. I just ripped it. Caused a mess, man. No way! Yo! This is heavy! This is like real stone! I'm scared to hold it by the sword. Don't do this to me, fam. Don't do this to me. Now we're gonna get the limited edition. Then I thought to myself, you know what, game? Look at that! Look, wait, I'm not gonna speak for a few minutes. Few seconds. Dang it, can you pull it out? No, you can't. Oh, can ya? No, I don't wanna break it. That looks like you can pull it out, you know? No way, that's so sick! That's worth the £30 more. You get the plant. You know what? I know where to keep this in my room. You know what? It's worth it, man. You get me? You're sporting the game. You get that. You get the soundtrack. You get the flipping Legends of Breath of the Wild. What more can you ask for, yo? But dudes, the Nintendo Switch, yo. No way, man, dudes. Do you guys, you know, all like serious talk, Legend of Zelda, you know, that game, man, it's gonna be phenomenal, man. I mean, that many reviews can't be wrong. I don't get me wrong, you don't always listen to reviews, you get me, but they do know what they're talking about sometimes, especially with so much reviews only given 10s and 100s and 20s. It means something. I mean, this is a game where as far as you can see, you can go. You know what I mean? I mean, like, you know, the mountains, like, it's realistic, yo. Like, in a sense, like, in real life, you want to climb the mountain, you can climb it. But you need stamina. And if you haven't got enough stamina, you would fall down. You want to go to the North Pole where it's cold, you can go. But you need armor because that shit is cold, you'll end up dying. I mean, like, the enemies are hard. I mean, this shit's going to be a marvelous, yo. I mean, this could well be the best Zelda game of all time. Like, jokes aside, man. I loved Wind Waker. I wasn't the biggest fan of Twilight Princess. Skyward Sword I loved. Majora's I never was the biggest fan as well. But Ocarina of Time was amazing. But dude, this could be the best Zelda game. I mean, like, it says that as soon as you start the game, an hour later, it's in your hands. Do what the fish you want. Go where you want. You see that mountain? Go there. You see the enemy, go fight him, but can you beat him? It depends. That's why the shrines, it's gonna be an amazing game, yo. It is, man. This is the Nintendo Switch, ladies and gentlemen. You get me? I never unboxed this, but you don't really need to see it, you get me, dudes? That's the dock. This has been Uzumaki Khan. Thanks for watching. Dudes, if you got a Nintendo, I'm gonna leave my ID or the friend's code or whatever it is in the description box below. Add me up. I'm gonna get Bomberman, you get me? ARMS I'm gonna buy, Mario Kart I'm gonna buy, Splatoon I'm gonna buy. You get me? Xenoblade Chronicles 2, hands down, one of the best RPGs I played, you know, in the last 10 years, man. That, Lost Odyssey, Final Fantasy 15, you get me? The marvelous games. And Xenoblade Chronicles 2 will continue from Xenoblade Chronicles, not like that X bullcrap where it was less storyfied and more just gameplay. You know what I mean? You know what? I hope the system does well, yo. You get me, dudes? Hope it does well. And yeah, that's it, dudes, man. Don't forget to like this video, yo. I'd appreciate it. Add me up again. Don't forget, dudes. I need them friends, yo. You get me, dudes? Need it to build up. You get me, dudes? I know a few people in my Facebook group that's gonna get a Switch. And you're 8 hours behind, 7 hours behind in America. So I'll be waiting for your friend request. You get me, dudes? But yeah, don't forget to like this video. Subscribe if you're new. Breath of the Wild. Oh man, that kind of flop. I wanted to pick you up. Peace out.